Well, hi there, my name is Isabel, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this top, which is part of a set of 3 crop tops that I've made. Very minimal, simple designs that hopefully don't really go out of trend. So you've got that first one with a squarish neckline, then a simple tank top, and finally a reversible one with little straps, which is really minimal, that one. So let's have a look at what you will need. The fabric needs to be stretchy. I've made the pattern so that you can sew the top using the most common type of stretchy jersey fabric out there, which is cotton with 5% of lycra or elastan. And the fabric I'm using personally here is 220 grams per meter. So since we're sewing jersey, you can just use your regular jersey needle and go for a zigzag stitch everywhere, or like me, you can use a twin needle. And if you're using a twin needle, then you will need to feed it with 2 threads from above and the one coming from below, the bobbin. Alright, let's have a look at the pattern. It's in 2 parts. The front is here and the back with a lower neckline. The seam allowance is included, 1 centimeter everywhere except for the waist hem where we have 1.5 centimeter. Lay the front and back parts on top of one another, right sides together, and pin the sides and the straps together. I'm sewing the sides using a zigzag stitch. And the straps with a straight stitch because that part doesn't need to be stretchy. Once you're done, you can iron things flat a bit if, like me, your fabric got wavy from the zigzag stitch. Then all that's left is hemming all the edges of the top. I have a little technique here. I don't like folding the hems at random, doing roughly 1 centimeter everywhere, because then you might end up with irregular, non-symmetrical edges. So what I do is I baste the folding line. I set up my stitch length on the maximum, I pick a straight stitch, and I will sew 1 centimeter away from the edge of the fabric since it's my seam allowance, except at the waist hem where we have 1.5 centimeters of seam allowance. And you don't need to secure this basting stitch because we will remove it in the end. So once the edges have been basted, I'm setting up my twin needle, I'm folding my hems and pinning them a bit, and I'm sewing using a straight stitch. And when you're done, you just pull the basting thread away. So I'm showing you what it looks like up close. That's it. It's very easy, isn't it? Alright, check out my other videos and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Kiss!